Welcome to our latest video, Top 5 Best 3D Printers 2025. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the top contenders in the 3D printing world, highlighting their features, capabilities, and what makes them stand out in 2025. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or just curious about the latest technology, this video has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and updates on cutting-edge tech. Let's dive in and find the perfect 3D printer for your needs.
Number 5. The Creality Ender 3 V3KE is a standout choice. After extensive testing and evaluation, it's clear that this printer offers exceptional value for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts alike. The Ender 3 V3KE impresses with its robust build quality and reliable performance. Its assembly is straightforward, making it accessible for those new to 3D printing, while the detailed manual provides clear instructions for setup. Once assembled, the printer consistently delivers high-quality prints with impressive precision and detail thanks to its upgraded features. One of the most notable aspects of the Ender 3 V3KE is its large build volume, which allows for considerable flexibility in projects. Whether you're creating intricate models or larger prototypes, this printer handles it all with ease. The improved heated bed ensures excellent adhesion and reduces the chances of warping, making your prints not only easier to manage but also more reliable. In terms of connectivity, the Ender 3 V3KE offers multiple options, including USB and SD card support, which makes it easy to transfer your designs. The intuitive LCD screen enhances usability, providing clear navigation through various settings and print options. Moreover, the community support for the Ender 3 series is robust. With countless online resources, forums, and user groups, you'll find an abundance of tips, tricks, and troubleshooting advice at your fingertips.
Number 4. The FLSUN Super Racer is a remarkable 3D printer that has gained a reputation for its speed and precision, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced makers alike. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear that this printer truly lives up to its name. One of the standout features of the FLSUN Super Racer is its impressive printing speed. Capable of reaching up to 300 millimeters per second, it significantly reduces printing time without compromising quality. This means you can create larger projects or multiple prints in a fraction of the time compared to other models. The printer's unique Delta design not only contributes to its speed, but also enhances stability, resulting in smooth and accurate prints. In terms of print quality, the Super Racer doesn't disappoint. With a resolution of up to 50 microns, it delivers detailed and precise outputs that are comparable to much more expensive models on the market. Whether you're printing intricate designs, functional prototypes, or artistic creations, the results are consistently impressive. The setup process is straightforward, and the user-friendly touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze. For those who are new to 3D printing, the included instructions are clear, and the community support is robust, providing ample resources for troubleshooting and tips. Additionally, the FLSUN Super Racer is designed with user safety in mind. It features a sturdy frame and includes safety mechanisms to prevent overheating, ensuring a secure printing experience.
Number 3. The Creality CR-M4 is a remarkable addition to the world of 3D printing, especially for enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient machine for larger projects. After extensive testing and user feedback, it's evident that this printer stands out for its impressive build volume, ease of use, and quality output. One of the most notable features of the CR-M4 is its generous build size, which allows users to create larger prints without the need for assembly or multiple parts. With a spacious print area, it's perfect for those looking to tackle ambitious designs, from intricate models to practical applications. Setting up the CR-M4 is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and straightforward assembly process. Even beginners will find it easy to get started, while seasoned users will appreciate the efficiency of its features. The printer is equipped with a responsive touchscreen that simplifies navigation through settings and print options, making it accessible for users at any skill level. Print quality is where the CR-M4 truly shines. The precision and detail in the final output are impressive, with sharp lines and vibrant colors that bring creations to life. The printer's reliability during long prints is another significant advantage, as it maintains consistent quality from start to finish. Durability is key with the CR-M4, as it is built with sturdy materials that can withstand the rigors of regular use. Additionally, it boasts features like a resume print function, which is invaluable in the event of a power outage or interruption, ensuring that your projects.
Number 2. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is a standout addition to the 3D printing landscape, catering to both novices and experienced makers alike. After extensive hands-on testing and comparison with other models in its class, it's clear that this printer offers an impressive blend of performance, ease of use, and innovative features. One of the most notable aspects of the Adventurer 5M Pro is its user-friendly design. The fully enclosed build chamber not only provides a safe environment for printing, but also helps maintain optimal temperature, ensuring high-quality prints every time. The printer's automatic bed leveling feature takes the guesswork out of setup, allowing users to focus on their projects rather than technical adjustments. The print quality is exceptional, with layers coming out smooth and details crisp thanks to the high-resolution nozzle and advanced slicing software. Whether you're creating intricate models or functional prototypes, the Adventurer 5M Pro handles a variety of filament types with ease, including PLA, ABS, and PETG. Additionally, the built-in camera allows you to monitor your prints remotely, providing peace of mind whether you're at home or on the go. The intuitive touchscreen interface is another highlight, making navigation effortless and ensuring that even those new to 3D printing can get started without a steep learning curve. In terms of versatility, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro shines with its compatibility with multiple filament brands and types, opening up a world of creative possibilities.
Number 1. The Prusa MK4 is a standout 3D printer that has truly set a new standard in the world of additive manufacturing. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear that this printer offers a perfect blend of performance, reliability, and user-friendliness that appeals to both beginners and experienced makers alike. One of the most impressive features of the Prusa MK4 is its exceptional print quality. With a maximum resolution of 50 microns, the details in your prints are strikingly sharp, making it an ideal choice for intricate designs and detailed models. The printer's advanced features, such as the improved extruder design and intelligent sensor technology, ensure that filament feeding is smooth and consistent, resulting in fewer print failures and more successful projects. User experience is a top priority with the Prusa MK4. The intuitive setup process and user-friendly interface make it easy for even novices to get started right away. The color LCD touchscreen is responsive and provides clear guidance throughout the printing process. Additionally, the pre-installed Prusa Slicer software is powerful and versatile, allowing for complete control over print settings, which is great for customizing your prints. Durability and build quality are also worth noting. The sturdy frame and high-quality components ensure that the Prusa MK4 stands the test of time even with regular use. Plus, its modular design allows for easy upgrades, providing room for future enhancements as new technology emerges.